Hey guys, it's Sarah again from Snacks and Crafts. I just did a craft video, which is why I'm wearing the same shirt. But now we're gonna look at snacks because I was hungry, so I feel like snacking. This moment's snack is fig bars. It looks backwards while I'm looking at like my screen, so I hope it's normal when I upload this. These are from Sam's or my Sam's. I don't know if all Sam's sell the same things, but I got this from my Sam's, and it's Nature's Bakery stone ground whole wheat fig bars. They have blueberry and raspberry flavor. And I opened the box wrong because there's a super convenient like pull thing. I just opened the top. And in it, there's 4 of these smaller boxes. These are all blueberry. There's another one that's raspberry. I might eat the raspberry. I already had 2 blueberry. Not today. Well, this morning. But like, it's already open. Basically, these little bitty packs. Fig bar. And it's like a Fig Newton, if you know what those are. Loved Fig Newtons. But these are like bigger. And it says Nature's Bakery, energy for life's great journeys. Stone ground whole wheat fig bar, blueberry. Cholesterol free, dairy free, 0 grams trans fat, which most things are anyway. Kosher and non-GMO. Verified by the non-GMO project, all labeled and stuff. A friend of mine had these and he let me try one and I was like, this is good. So I got my mom to buy me some. Alright. We're gonna eat one. Well, we're gonna eat the 2 that are, oh, it smells good. We're gonna eat the 2 that are in here because I'm hungry. I was reading the box earlier. I was waiting for the other video to upload. And they say, fun ways to enjoy a Nature's Bakery fig bar. Warm bars in the package using the natural heat of the sun. Soft, moist, delicious. I think that means just like leave it in your car. And like, or if you're outside, camping, at the park. And just leave it. I mean, it's like shiny on the inside. It makes me think of like those microwavable metal plates for pizza. Though, you leave anything in the car, it'll get hot. Might do that tomorrow. That way I can enjoy a delicious warm fig bar after work. This is what they look like. They're fairly large compared to a traditional Fig Newton. They're so good. They taste like blueberry. Haven't had the raspberry yet. The kind I tried at my friend's house, that one was raspberry, so I know I like it. But I already opened the blueberry box. I'm gonna work my way through this blueberry one, then eat through the raspberry, the 2 raspberry boxes, because I really like the blueberry more than the raspberry. So I think I'm gonna save the second blueberry box for last. Try crumbling pieces into your favorite yogurt. Yum! It actually wrote yum. Pair with your favorite tea or coffee. They wrote that too. On the go as a convenient, healthy snack. Let's see. Serving size 1 ounce. Servings per container is 24. Okay. So, 2 fig bars are 90 calories. if you're counting that stuff. Total fat 2.5, saturated fat 0, 0 cholesterol. Ooh, low sodium, 35 milligrams. 2 grams of dietary fiber and 2 grams of protein. So 1 gram of protein per fig bar. So you can eat 2. So I guess that means each fig bar is 45 calories. Pretty darn good. I like it. If you're at Sam's and you like fig bars, like, you like fig bars this much. I think it was like $8 for this big old thing. What's $8 divided by 24? 8 divided by 24. That's 33 cents a pack. And this packaging says label for convenience stores and vending. Now you know they're gonna charge you like $2, at least $1.50 for these little things in a vending machine. Get you a box from Sam's. That's all I got. You don't have to buy the stuff I talk about. I just like to talk about things. Snacks and crafts are my life. So that's what my YouTube channel's about. But thank you for watching. And you have a great day. Okay, bye. No, turn off.